What's up, band fam? Welcome back to Born Again Naturals, and today we have yet another exciting video planned for you guys. So if you follow us on Instagram or Facebook, you would have seen this photo of my hair that I posted all twisted up. And I've received a lot of compliments on it, so I wanted to show you guys what products I use right from Born Again Naturals to achieve this look. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Now the first thing I do before I do any protective hairstyle is wash, detangle, and condition my hair the night before. Get all of that stuff done so that when I'm ready to do my twist, it's easy, beauty, beautiful, cover girl. So I'll just then, after washing my hair, I would throw it up in some big chunky twists, about 6 or 8 depending on how lazy I am, and leave those in overnight. So by the next day, it's stretched and dry and ready to style. So the first product I use is our hair tea rinse. Now, as you can imagine, it is a hair tea rinse, so you can just follow the directions and just use it once. But your girl just don't have the time to be wasting her coins. So what she does is use this hair spray bottle. So I would then mist my hair with this and get it nice soaking wet, because if you want juicy curly twists, you need your hair to be hydrated. So after that, I would then follow up with my oil. This is a new bottle. This is my bottle. But here is the hair restorative hair and scalp oil. And these two products alone have grown my hair so much. I mean, look at the growth, hunty. We are getting somewhere. I actually recently bleached and colored my hair probably about, I want to say, 2 months and a half, 3 months ago. And the hair is growing like wildfire because my hair literally never used to grow for some reason before. I'm just exaggerating, but it's true though. My hair used to grow so slow, so to have this amount of growth within like 2.5 months, your girl's climbing up the ladder. Okay, so what I would do is pour a generous amount, and when I say generous, I don't mean the whole bottle, but probably about 2 teaspoons. I would put in my palm of my hand, rub it in, and then massage it into my hair, rub it on my palms again so I get the tips nice and oily again, and then I would go in with the back of my hair. The next step I would then do is part my hair off to be twisted, and so it will usually be about 4 sections, and I would always start at the back. And you guys, this is my holy grail, the organic shea and MU whipped butter. Now, honestly and truly, any shea butter is great for this. I had to literally get a tub of it. Like, you guys, I have a tub of it. That's how much I love it. It is so moisturizing, and it locks in that moisture so that you don't have to keep moisturizing every single day of your life. So what I would do is take enough of the shea butter to coat my whole strand, root to tip. And you want to focus on the tips because that's how you get that nice defined curl at the end. So you might want to add a little extra on the end there. And then I just twist the hair up. So in terms of maintenance, I pretty much repeat the same 3 steps I just showed you guys. I just remist my hair, then I put on the oil, and then I would rub this in my hand and literally smear it to the whole strand of hair and focus on the ends so it's nice and defined and moisturized. Well, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next week, bye guys.